Hey everyone, welcome to Top Down Tech, where we take a look at tech from the top to the bottom. Today we're going to be talking about the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and this is going to be my initial impressions video on this magnificent phone. So I just got this phone this week, so I haven't done too much testing on it because I do have a lot of phones to test because this other phone also came in for review. So this is the Nothing Phone 1, and I'll also be doing a review here on Top Down Tech. So if you guys are looking forward to that, make sure you subscribe. But going back to the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, we're just gonna take a quick look at what this phone could potentially do. But before we continue, here's a quick unboxing.
Just like you are, release your control, start to let go, take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy, 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 release your control, let your body go a little crazy, just crazy.
Now, for those of you who are interested in getting one, this is a China exclusive, so the links in the description box, they're not gonna be there. But if you guys who are watching are from the Philippines, then you can order through AHH Xiaomi Manila. I'll link their Facebook page in the description box. Now, moving on, I don't think there's anything more powerful or more premium that's gonna come out from Xiaomi this year. So we already had the Xiaomi 12 Pro and all the other variants with the Xiaomi 12S Pro series and this one, the Ultra. So for my wallet's sake, I'm crossing my fingers that this is the final form. This is the final phone of the year from Xiaomi because I cannot afford to buy another one. But kidding aside, let's go ahead and take a look at the hardware on this. So at the bottom, we have a dual SIM card slot, a microphone, a USB-C charging port, and one of its two speakers. On the right side, we have the power button as well as the volume rockers. And right at the top, you have a noise cancelling microphone, an IR blaster, and its second speaker. On the left side, you'll only see an antenna band, nothing else. Now at the back panel, we have this massive camera module. This one is tremendously big. I mean, let's put it side by side with the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So here you go. So if you guys don't already know, the partnership between Leica and Huawei ended. And so Xiaomi was very quick to swoop in and partner up with Leica themselves. This one packs a Sony IMX989 main sensor, 50 megapixels, nothing big like a 108 megapixel sensor, but this actually does a great job in taking photos, especially at nighttime. Now going to the front, we have a 120Hz panel. It's really nice looking, but when I compare it with my Xiaomi 12 Pro, there's not much of a difference in terms of the quality that you can get. And all of the things that you have with the 12 Pro is also here on the 12S Ultra, meaning this is also LTPO. This can go down to 1 Hz refresh rate if it needs to. It's a really good looking display. However, it's such a shame that I can't put this display to good use as of now while watching videos because the Widevine level certification on Netflix is only level 3. So check it out here. But when we check out the Widevine level certification through the DRM info, it actually says L1. If you guys know any workaround to this issue, let me know in the comment section because this one, the Xiaomi 12 Pro, this one is a China ROM as well, and this has Widevine level 1 through the DRM info, and this also has Widevine level 1 on Netflix. So yeah, I don't know what's going on, but hopefully this gets fixed. But anyway, enough talk with the display. Let's go straight to the performance. So this one is packing the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 under the TSMC manufacturing, no longer under the Samsung manufacturing with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which had really bad heating issues on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So this got 1 million points in Antutu benchmark, but a lot of phones also got this score under Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But the beauty of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is that this barely throttles now compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 of the Xiaomi 12 Pro, which has really terrible throttling problems. So for those who are looking for a more consistent performance in their phones, I think the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is the way to go for your flagship phones. So overall, guys, it's safe to say that the performance in this is tremendously good. However, I have not yet tested this on games. So if you guys are looking forward to the game test on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra or the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, wait for my full review of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Anyway, I think the most important thing that you guys want to know about is its camera. How good are they? Are they really worth the hype, especially the partnership that Xiaomi has with Leica? Well, to be honest, guys, I haven't been blown away yet with the quality of the cameras on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. So I've been trying to test it side by side with the Xiaomi 12 Pro, which has a Sony IMX707 sensor. But there are times that I think the photos that I got from the Xiaomi 12 Pro look better than the photos on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Now, don't go misquoting me because I never said that the photos on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra are bad. I'm just saying that they're not what I expected so far. The photos actually turned out great. However, again, they're not what I expected. So maybe I just had some tremendous expectations when I heard that they partnered up with Leica plus the new Sony IMX989 sensor that they put on here. But when taking photos at nighttime, you can definitely see that the Xiaomi 12S Ultra lets in more light. And that's because this has a way bigger sensor than the Xiaomi 12 Pro. However, I'll hold off my judgment on the Xiaomi 12S Ultra's camera for now. I still need to take a lot of photos, a lot of testing to be sure that this one is the best camera of 2022. But if there's one complaint that I have about its camera so far, it's the fact that it tries to be an iPhone. So what I'm talking about is that automatic lens adjustment. So if you get too close to a subject, the lens on this automatically switches, which is mind-boggling because I never intended to switch the lens. So it's definitely something that surprised me and not in a good way. But anyway, I'll be testing the Xiaomi 12S Ultra more so that I can give you all of the details that you need to know just in case you wanted to buy one. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.